Hey, welcome back to the West Coast Gardener. New addition to the California Gardener. Just wanted to show you, remember I was telling you about these currant bushes and how amazing they are. And pretty plants, and they grow a ton of berries here on the West Coast. Look at this. They have a really pungent, strong, sweet flavor if you let them get till they're softer and juicier. They keep getting sweeter. But they have a great taste and great flavor. Yum. So it might be something you want to add to your garden, because in salads or some kind of food you like adding some little bit of punch. These are amazing.
Oh, look at these nice ones.
You got some big ones. Oh yeah, those are big ones. And the kids love them too. Here's our white currants. But as you can see, the kids have pretty much eaten them all. The only ones left are the ones that are hiding. They're pretty berry. They're smaller than the big black currants, but they're much sweeter. Right, guys?
Yes.
Much sweeter.
And they grow faster.
They grow faster and they ripen faster than the black ones.
Yeah.
They taste pretty good. But look at these black currants. Just loaded. You can make a ton of jams and jellies. There's just so many. I only have 2 bushes here, and they're loaded. But it's funny, because one of the bushes, they don't taste as good as another, so.
That one tastes better.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button.
Bye.
See you later.